Okay, welcome to Mrs. Anderson's Eats and Treats. You're going to be learning today about knife skills and about knives. Okay, so we're going to talk about the different knives, and then I'm going to choose which knives I'm going to use because I'm not using all of these. The first knife I want to talk about is the bread knife. It's serrated on one edge, and it's used to cut breads, or you can also use it for carving meats. It helps you to not have to smush the bread when you're cutting. Okay, then I have three 10-inch chef or 8-inch chef knives. I think these are 8-inch. And I wanted to go over them because I want you to see the difference in their composition and how sturdy they are. Okay, this one is a very inexpensive knife. You can see how thin the blade is. In the hilt, you can see how thin it is. It's held together with rivets. It's really lightweight, and it does not hold a good edge. The next knife I want to show you is, this is a 10-inch Good Cook's knife. It's a decent middle-of-the-road knife. It needs to be sharpened often, but it also has a bolster and the hilt and the rivets, but the handle is separate from the blade, and so a lot of times these will start to get loose through here. So it's okay, but it's not a good one. I really like this. This is a precision knife. It has a nice heavy weight to it. The hilt actually, or the base of the knife, actually has the little tang here so that you can choke up on your knife. It goes through all the way through the handle with the rivets, but there's a smooth transition on the edge. This is a utility knife, and it is like that, just like the other one. It has a nice smooth transition, a place for you to put your fingers and hold it. So it's a good knife. This one is used to cut many littler things. I have a lot of people trying to cut potatoes with this one. You can't get the right cuts if you use a knife that's too small. Another utility knife. This is a different brand. It's still metal to here. It has a place for your hand to be tucked under and back. This is a 6-inch chef knife. I have a lot of students who feel more comfortable with this little knife, but they're all the same. You can use whichever one is most comfortable for you, and that is just the basics of the knives that you're going to learn how to use. I am going to take the ones that I want to use. I like this 8-inch heavy-duty one. I will choose this as a middle-of-the-road knife, and then my paring knife. These other knives I will put in the drawer. This one goes in the top drawer of my station. The knives stay at my station, and you come to me when you need to use a knife. For knife safety, when you're going to hand off a knife, don't hand it to somebody point first. You always turn it around and hand it to them with the end of the butt end of the knife.